bakit nga ba importante na meron kang sariling branding? So as we all know kasi, branding is how people recognize and remember your brand or your business. And let's be real, first impressions matter, di ba? So kahit gaano pa kaganda yung product mo, kung hindi naman presentable yung brand mo, mahihirapan kang makabenta. So kasi nga, people trust and buy from brands that looks professional and consistent. And speaking of that, dyan na nga papasok itong si Canva Brand Kit. So this is one of the powerful features in Canva na pwede nating magamit to improve consistency with our brand identity. So in this video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano yung tamang pag-set up ng sarili nating brand using Canva Brand Kit. So now to start, alamin nga muna natin kung bakit nga ba mahalaga na meron kang sariling branding. So learners, yung branding kasi, it will help you stand out from your competitors. So kahit pa similar product yung ino-offer mo, kung consistent at professional yung brand mo, mas matatandaan ka ng mga customer. And yung branding din kasi, it builds trust kasi nga people are more likely to buy from brands that looks reliable and consistent. So basically, branding guides your marketing decision like colors, fonts, and even yung message ng brand mo. So lahat ng yan, align yan sa identity ng business mo. So kaya kahit nag-uumpisa ka pa lang, napaka-importante na meron kang simple and consistent brand image that will make your products look professional and credible. And don't worry kasi hindi na kayo mahihirapan gumawa ng sarili nyong branding ngayon. Kasi nga ang good news, pwede na tayong makagawa ng sarili nating branding using Canva.